Hello learners, I have something exciting and unique in today's video. Let's start with uDemand before jumping into the main topic. uDemand is a real-time, collaborative learning platform for software development. It produces professionals that are self-sufficient and have the willpower to compete on global business networks. SAP Ariba is the best procurement system available, and it is changing the way organizations handle their supply chains and make purchases. There is a lot of demand on businesses to streamline their procurement, strengthen their connections with their suppliers, and find ways to save costs in today's competitive market. SAP Ariba provides a full spectrum of tools and services to help businesses achieve procurement excellence and overcome these obstacles. Now let's go to the bottom of the SAP Ariba benefits. Automated procurement. Data security. Reduced costs. Increased visibility. Supplier network. Procurement automation. SAP Ariba assists organizations in automating their entire procurement process, including vendor selection, contract development, PO production, payments, and reporting. Data security. SAP Ariba is simple and safe, allowing businesses to securely exchange company data with suppliers and other third parties. Cost saving. SAP Ariba may help businesses save money by lowering administrative expenses associated with manual procedures and boosting overall operations efficiency. Greater visibility. Businesses that use SAP Ariba may get an in-depth understanding of all aspects of their finance and procurement operations. Supplier network. SAP Ariba provides organizations with access to a virtual global network of vendors and suppliers, facilitating cooperation and increasing bargaining power. I hope you liked the video and found it helpful in understanding SAP Ariba's benefits. If you like this video and want to be updated on upcoming videos, subscribe to our uDemand channel.